I'm Divya, and this is the story of my heart. I still remember my early childhood. I was not able to play with my friends. I was breathless most of the time. It was then that my parents realized that there was something seriously wrong with me.
मी रामदास अंबादास उल्हारे. मला 4 मुली असून सगळ्यात थोरली मुलगी कुमारी दिव्या उल्हारे. हिला लहानपणापासून हृदय म्हणजे 2 वर्षाची असताना आम्हाला कळालं की हिला हृदयाचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे.
माझ्या मुलीला आहे ना लहानपणापासून खूप त्रास होतो होता. तिचं हळूहळू ते वाढत गेलं. तिला दम लागायचा, थकवा यायचा, एका जागेवर बसायची, झोपायची सारखी, ती खात नव्हती, उलट्या करून राहायची नुसती, अशी गळून गेल्यावानी असं होत होतं तिला नुसतं.
तर डॉक्टर म्हणले की बाबा औषध गोळ्या जोपर्यंत आहेत तोपर्यंत जगू द्यायला, याच्या उपचार नाही, काय नाही, नगरमध्ये काय नाही. तर असाच हताश होऊन मी घरी आलो की जोपर्यंत जगन तोपर्यंत जगू द्या म्हणले.
काय देवाचे नाव घ्यायचं म्हणजे आता भीतीच वाटते ना, आई वडिलांना काय मनातून हेच होत असेल ना.
Every year, 1,80,000 children are born with congenital heart disease in India. We need 200 cardiac centers for pediatric open heart surgery. But we have only 30. I was very small to understand that I had only a few months to live. But fortunately, God had a completely different plan for me.
Divya and her dad had come to me a few months back when I was sitting in my OPD in Ahmednagar, and she had already had a procedure done by that time. In medical terms, we call it bicuspid aortic stenosis. At that point of time, her heart was functioning at 15%. Unfortunately, after the procedure, instead of improvement of the heart function deteriorated. So by the time she reached me, it was only 10%. Now the problem which we face as doctors is when we have a situation like this, and in the rural area, this is a waiter's daughter. Obviously there are no resources. They had come in desperation to us. The only light at the end of the tunnel which I saw for this girl was a heart transplant. But the first thing which hit me was, how do we manage her financial situation?
We established a charitable trust known as Marian Cardiac Center and Research Foundation in the year 1990-91 with the sole objectives of providing advanced cardiac care to the poor, marginalized, underprivileged, with a special attention to women and children.
The best center for heart transplant is in Chennai. So I called up the surgeon there. I said that our trust is funding this girl. Please don't ask her any money. We will raise the resources, we will do everything. You just see to it that she gets her operation done. Fortunately, we've had friends who have helped us. Prominent among them were the Mahir Institute, run by Sister Lucy Kurian, who went across to their donors and then reached out to them, and they contributed directly to our trust through Mahir. So we collected quite a lot of money from there. The other major donor were the Ursuline sisters, who had come in and immediately gave a check of 2 lakhs without raising any questions. The other contributor which I'd like to mention is Vishal Agarwal from Bavaria Motors. He also contributed quite a bit. And I really have to thank the team in Chennai for having supported this poor girl, and also another trust called Aishwarya Trust, which funded partially her operation. Hats off to her resilience, her body's resilience. Thanks to God, she did very well. She's come back to Nagar. I find maybe a part of my dream for her is coming true.
मला एवढंच सांगू इच्छितो की मनोज सर नसते तर मी दिव्याचं जीवन जगू शकली नसती.
माझं नाव दिव्या रामदास उल्लारे. आज काय माझ्या तोंडावर हसू फुले ते दुर्योधन सरामुळे फुले. मी त्यांचे खूप खूप आभार आहे. थँक्यू सर.
My vision for the next few years is helping people like Divya. Hundreds of them. We are already helping people in different parts of India and Maharashtra.
I'm blessed today with a new life, a brand new heart. I want every child who has life-threatening heart ailment to be blessed like me.
Marian Cardiac Center and Research Foundation appeals to you to donate generously in our project of saving little hearts.